In this video, we're diving into the key differences between the 2026 and 2025 Kia Sportage. We will be focusing on 5 main categories, so let's get started with the first one. Exterior design. The 2026 Kia Sportage brings a fresh take on exterior design, refining and modernizing its look compared to the 2025 model. Right away, the front end is where you'll notice the biggest changes. Kia has reshaped the grille, making it larger and more aggressive, giving the Sportage a bolder stance on the road. The 2025 model had a more segmented grille with a sleeker design, but the 2026 version leans into a tougher, more defined look. The headlights have also been completely redesigned. The 2025 model featured Kia's signature boomerang-shaped daytime running lights. But for 2026, Kia is introducing its new Star Map lighting, which gives the front end a more unified and futuristic appearance. These vertical DRLs now blend more naturally into the grille, making the Sportage look wider and more planted. Moving to the side profile, Kia hasn't made drastic changes, but there are refinements. The 2026 model gets slightly reshaped side cladding and updated wheel designs across various trims. The rugged X-Line and X-Pro models now have chunkier, more off-road ready wheel options, making them look even tougher than before. In contrast, the 2025 model's wheels had a more conservative, crossover-style design. At the rear, the changes are subtle but effective. The taillights maintain their slim, connected look, but the lighting elements have been updated to match the Star Map theme at the front. The rear bumper has also been tweaked for a sportier appearance, with sharper lines and a more sculpted look compared to the 2025 version. Kia has also introduced new exterior colors for 2026, adding more options to the lineup. While the 2025 model already had a strong selection, the new shades for 2026 bring a more dynamic, modern feel. Interior enhancements. Inside the 2026 Kia Sportage, the updates focus on modernizing the cabin with new technology, improved materials, and a more refined layout. While the 2025 model already had a well-designed interior, Kia has taken things further for 2026, making noticeable changes that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. One of the most obvious upgrades is the new steering wheel. The 2025 model featured a traditional Kia design with a simple 3-spoke layout. But the 2026 version introduces a redesigned wheel with a more futuristic, squared-off look. The dashboard has also received an update. While the 2025 Sportage featured a sleek, curved digital display setup, the 2026 model refines this further with better screen integration and a more seamless layout. The infotainment system and digital gauge cluster are now more connected, creating a wraparound effect that enhances the feeling of being in a high-tech cockpit. One of the most significant changes for 2026 is the introduction of a head-up display, a feature that was missing from the 2025 model. This addition provides key driving information directly in the driver's line of sight, improving convenience and safety. Another new feature is Kia's fingerprint authentication system, allowing drivers to start the vehicle and access personalized settings without needing a key fob. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard across all trims, a big improvement over the 2025 model, which required a wired connection on lower trims. The center console has also been slightly redesigned, with a new layout for the climate controls and updated materials that feel more upscale. Seating materials and options have been improved as well. The 2026 Sportage offers new interior color choices and enhanced upholstery options, giving buyers more customization. Powertrain and performance. The 2026 Kia Sportage brings several upgrades, improving efficiency and responsiveness over the 2025 model. For gas-powered models, the 2026 Sportage continues to use the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, but minor refinements have improved throttle response and efficiency. While the 2025 model was already well-balanced for daily driving, the 2026 version delivers slightly smoother acceleration thanks to software updates to the 8-speed automatic transmission. The most notable improvements come to the hybrid and plug-in hybrid. The 2025 Sportage Hybrid used a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 227 horsepower. For 2026, Kia has slightly increased the electric motor's output, resulting in a bit more power and better low-end torque. This makes acceleration feel stronger, especially in city driving, where the electric motor plays a bigger role. The plug-in hybrid variant sees a more noticeable upgrade. The 2025 Sportage PHEV had a 13.8 kilowatt-hour battery and an estimated electric-only range of around 34 miles. For 2026, Kia has improved the battery efficiency, extending the EV range slightly without increasing the battery size. Lastly, Kia has made small adjustments to the suspension tuning across all trims. The 2025 Sportage had a comfortable ride, but could feel slightly soft in corners. For 2026, Kia has stiffened the suspension just enough to reduce body roll while maintaining raid comfort. These updates make the 2026 Sportage a more refined and efficient SUV with smoother performance, improved hybrid capability, and a slightly sportier driving feel compared to the 2025 model. Trim levels. The 2026 Kia Sportage expands its lineup with several trim levels, providing buyers with more options and features compared to the 2025 model. While the 2025 Sportage offered a solid range of trims, the 2026 model enhances this by introducing new variants. For 2026, the LX trim sees additional standard features that were previously optional, such as advanced driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist and forward collision warning, enhancing safety without increasing the price significantly. Moving up the lineup, the EX trim receives a few updates that enhance comfort and convenience. The 2026 EX now includes a larger 10.25-inch infotainment display, dual-zone climate control, and upgraded interior materials compared to the 2025 version. A significant addition for 2026 is the new X-Line trim, specifically designed for those who want a more rugged aesthetic. This trim features enhanced roof rails, all-terrain tires, and additional body cladding, making it visually distinct from other models. The X-Line trim is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want both style and capability, safety and driver assistance. While the 2025 Sportage was already equipped with a solid suite of safety technologies, the 2026 version builds on that foundation, offering even more advanced features to provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers. The 2026 Sportage includes features like adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, which was available in the 2025 model, but has been refined for better responsiveness and smoother operation. This makes highway driving more convenient, as the vehicle can now better maintain speed and distance from other cars. The 2026 Sportage also introduces a 360-degree camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings, making it easier to navigate tight spots and avoid obstacles. Blind spot monitoring has also seen enhancements. The 2026 model features an upgraded system that provides better alerts and integrates with the rear cross-traffic alert to enhance safety when changing lanes or reversing out of parking spaces. This was already a feature in the 2025 model, but improvements in sensitivity and response times make it even more effective in preventing accidents. In terms of crash safety ratings, both the 2025 and 2026 models are expected to perform well, but Kia has focused on improving structural integrity and using more advanced materials in the 2026 Sportage to enhance crash protection. This attention to detail is part of Kia's commitment to safety, aiming for top ratings in independent safety tests. Thanks for joining us as we explored the key differences between the 2026 and 2025 Kia Sportage. From enhanced exterior design and interior features to improved powertrains and safety systems, it's clear that the 2026 model takes everything up a notch. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest vehicles. Join our community and stay informed on all things automotive.